Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the product. In this Google Fi eSIM review, I'll be diving into my usage experience. Google Fi's eSIM is a versatile and data-efficient service perfect for travelers, digital nomads, or anyone looking for flexible connectivity. One of Google Fi's strengths is its multi-network capability. This allows it to switch between T-Mobile, Sprint, and US cellular networks within the US, optimizing for the strongest signal. Furthermore, it seamlessly connects to local networks internationally, making it a great option for frequent globetrotters. Activating the Google Fi eSIM was a breeze. If your phone is compatible, like many recent Google Pixel and iPhone models, you can bypass the physical SIM card altogether and activate directly through the Google Fi app. The entire process took only a few minutes, and I appreciated the clear and concise instructions provided by Google. A key advantage of Google Fi is its flexible pay-as-you-go structure. You can choose from unlimited data or a flexible plan where you only pay for the data you consume. This caters to both heavy data users and those who use less data. Regarding performance, Google Fi delivered impressive call quality and consistently fast data speeds, even while transitioning between different networks. The international coverage is particularly noteworthy. Google Fi offers data in over 200 countries and territories at a flat rate, and calls back to the US are only 20 cents per minute, a significant perk for international travelers. I was particularly impressed by the seamless hotspot functionality, which proved incredibly reliable whenever I needed to connect other devices while on the move. Security is another strong point. Google Fi incorporates a built-in VPN to safeguard your data while browsing. The Google Fi app itself is well-designed and intuitive, making it easy to monitor your usage, manage payments, and access customer support. While Google Fi may not be the most budget-friendly option for everyone, its reliability, user-friendliness, and extensive global coverage make it a highly attractive choice for those who prioritize seamless connectivity, both at home and abroad. If you're looking for a flexible eSIM solution that excels in both domestic and international coverage, Google Fi is definitely worth considering. Check out the product links in the description for more information. Thanks for watching.